Welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing something that I had ordered from a friend's website, and she did not sponsor this. I am doing this purely because I love her and I wanted to support her. So I am unboxing my order here so you can see it, and encourage you guys to check out her Etsy site. So the box got a little damaged in the mail, but she sent it like this. I think it's super cute. She's got this little sticker on it. Very cute touch. So let's see everything I had ordered. So it is a crystal website, a crystal shop. So if you are into crystals, you're absolutely gonna love what she's got. So she has this little bag here, and she had a free gift. This is, what is this? This is red tiger's eye. Okay, so I had ordered a bracelet, and I forgot what it was, the type of stone. I just really like this color, and I have some outfits I think this would go cute with, plus kind of goes with this, what I got on now. Maybe I'll just put it on now. So yeah, I'll just put it on now. It did come with a couple of rings, which is somewhere in the box, and we will dig in. Okay, so the rings that it came with, she's got them labeled right here. This one is tourmaline quartz. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. And this other one is fire agate. I'm gonna go ahead and put those on so you can see what they look like on my hand, because they are super cute. No, I had got all my rings the same size, so I just stuck them on the same finger. But that is what they look like. I think they're super cute and dainty, and I really like how they look on. Okay, so the other ring that I had ordered, which it didn't come with the bracelet, but this was a separate ring that I got. This one is amethyst. I am a big fan of amethyst. I just think the purple is pretty, so I had got that one as well. Okay, so I had ordered 2 sets of candles, and each of them came with some star little tea light type candles, and she's got some dried flowers in them. A couple of mine got crushed or damaged in the shipping, but it's okay. And her candles are 100% soy wax, if I remember right. If I'm wrong, let me know, Arielle. So there's that one. But I do got a total of 6 of them because I had bought 2 sets, because I really do love candles. So let me pull it out. I don't remember these being in this set. I think she might have added these, but these go with those as well. So she makes the main candles have crystals in it. One set that I had ordered had amethyst, and the other had onyx. So this is the amethyst one right here. You can see it. And this is what the tin looks like without opening it. I think they're super cute, and I'm probably going to burn some of these tonight. I'm really excited about them. And this one right here is the onyx one. I think that is super cute. Look at that. Guys, you need to check her Etsy out. I will have a link to her website below. Please check it out and support her. She is a wonderful and supportive person, and really deserves lots of love. Anyways, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.